We're very pleased with the dispenser. It's been a great help to us. He used to say, oh, I haven't taken that one yet. I know I haven't taken it. I said, you have taken it, dear. Now I don't have to bother because the dispensary does it for me. You can't take too many. That's the best thing about it as well. Because you used to, didn't you? You go to sleep. And I said, you've taken your makeup in the morning. Well, I've caught him once or twice before we had this, where he's going to get the tablets, going to take them. And I said, dear, you've taken your medication. You've been to sleep. I think he's woke up and thinks it's morning. So he wants to take his morning lot again. So this is very, very useful for that. It helps to keep my husband independent, that he can take his own drugs. Because before he had a job to open the containers of the medication, which was very awkward for him. If I'm not near, if the alarm goes off and the light flashes, he hears it, he can just do it. You know that he's taken the right amount of tablets. When you go anywhere, you know, if you go anywhere, we went to London Hospital, which he has to go to, because his medication was due while we sat in the clinic seeing the doctor, and because it was in my handbag, I could hear it buzzing, so I took it out. Oh, what a wonderful thing, the consultant said. You know, I think everybody could do one of those, she said.